I'm going to tell you about the difference between two eyelid lifts, ptosis and blepharoplasty. Ptosis is a droopiness of the eyelid. You've probably seen people that one eye looks fairly normal to you and the other eye looks like the curtain's coming down. That's called ptosis. Where somebody needs a blepharoplasty, both eyes are opened at the same height, but they have some fullness and bunchiness of their eyelid, and it just doesn't cosmetically look as good as it used to. Please make sure to subscribe. Because a droopy eyelid can affect your activities of daily life, which we call ADLs, insurance sometimes will cover it. The reason that ptosis is sometimes covered by insurance is it can affect your side vision. As your eyelid comes down, it blocks part of your visual field. And what's really interesting is studies have shown that as people get older and they're driving, the reason they get in more fender benders is because their lid is down and they don't see the car until later. And by the time their reflexes kick in, they get a fender bender because they don't have time to stop. It's not that they can't drive safe or do well, it's because they had decreased side vision. And we actually test for that. We send that into the insurance company, and it's one of the criteria that determines whether it's covered or not. People will argue, is it time to take the keys away from mom or dad? It's because they don't see the car coming up because they have ptosis. They have a droopy lid blocking their side vision. That's why it's covered by insurance. A blepharoplasty is just mom and dad or yourself wanting to look better. So one's a little more functional, one's considered cosmetic. That's the real difference of one's covered by insurance, the other one is not.